Hello, I'm Dr. Sara Malik, and today we're exploring a simple yet powerful 1-minute massage technique designed specifically for men over 60. This technique aims to help you regain vitality and life force, addressing common challenges that come with aging. We'll delve into how this quick daily practice can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. As men age, particularly over 60, many experience a natural and often frustrating decline in physical energy, mental sharpness, and overall vitality. This can manifest in various ways, impacting daily activities and a general sense of well-being. It's a common concern, but there are proactive steps we can take to address it. This often manifests as decreased physical stamina, making everyday tasks feel more challenging, alongside mental fatigue that can cloud focus and concentration. There's also a general reduction in life force, frequently linked to reduced blood circulation, which is a key factor in many age-related issues. Understanding this connection is the first step towards improvement. But what if there was a simple, daily practice requiring just 1 minute of your time that could help address these challenges effectively? Imagine a technique that could revitalize your body and mind, helping you feel more energetic and engaged with life. It might sound too good to be true, but it's rooted in scientific principles. Our focus today is on a specific and incredibly powerful area known as the sacral region. This vital energy center is strategically located at the very base of your spine, a place often overlooked but holding immense potential for stimulating your body's natural healing and energy systems. This region is crucial because it's a hub for numerous nerve connections and plays a significant role in blood flow to many vital organs throughout your body. This makes it an ideal spot for stimulating your body's natural energy, improving circulation, and enhancing overall function. By targeting this area, we can unlock profound benefits. To begin, it's important to accurately locate your sacral region. This is the triangular-shaped bone situated at the very bottom of your spine, positioned just above your tailbone. Take a moment to feel for it. It's a distinct, flat area that's easily accessible for this massage technique. Once you've located the sacral region, using either the palm of your hand or your fingertips, apply gentle but firm pressure to this specific area. The key is to find a pressure that feels comfortable yet effective, not too light and certainly not painful. This initial contact is crucial for preparing the area. Now, with that gentle but firm pressure, perform a slow, deliberate circular massage motion. You have the flexibility to move either clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever direction feels most comfortable and natural for you. The rhythm and consistency of this motion are more important than the direction itself. Continue this circular motion for 1 full minute, dedicating your attention to the sensation you feel. Allow yourself to relax into the movement, breathing deeply and letting go of any tension. This minute of focused self-care is an investment in your well-being, so embrace the moment fully. The key to unlocking the full benefits of this technique is consistency. Practicing this 1-minute massage daily, making it a regular part of your routine, can yield the best and most noticeable results over time. Just like any beneficial habit, regularity is paramount for long-term success and sustained vitality. This simple technique isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It's backed by sound scientific principles that explain its profound effects on your body. Understanding the science behind it can further motivate you to incorporate this powerful practice into your daily life, knowing the positive changes it initiates. The massage helps stimulate localized blood flow, which in turn can boost the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a crucial molecule, vital for improving circulation throughout the entire body, helping to relax blood vessels and ensure efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Enhanced circulation is absolutely crucial for delivering essential oxygen and vital nutrients to every cell and organ in your body. This directly supports potency, improves overall physical energy, and contributes to a feeling of robust health and vitality. It's the foundation for a well-functioning body. Additionally, this gentle stimulation of the sacral region can help reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol. By lowering cortisol, The massage promotes a profound sense of calm and overall well-being, helping to counteract the daily stresses that can deplete your energy and vitality. Lowering cortisol contributes significantly to better, more restorative sleep, reduces mental fatigue, allowing for clearer thinking, and leads to an improved mood and emotional balance. All of these benefits are absolutely essential for cultivating and maintaining a robust and vibrant life force, enhancing your quality of life. Remember, this 1-minute massage is a supportive strategy designed to be integrated within a broader, holistic approach to your health. It's a powerful tool, but it works best when combined with other healthy lifestyle choices, creating a synergistic effect for your overall well-being. It complements a balanced and nutritious diet, ensuring your body gets the fuel it needs, alongside regular exercise, which keeps your body strong and agile, and adequate sleep, which is crucial for repair and rejuvenation. These 3 pillars are foundational for maintaining optimal vitality and energy levels. If you have any serious medical conditions, or if you're currently under a doctor's care for any health concerns, please consult your doctor before incorporating this or any new technique into your daily routine. Your health professional can provide personalized advice based on your specific medical history. Your health and safety are always paramount, and seeking professional medical advice is always recommended for personalized care and to ensure this technique is appropriate for your individual circumstances. Never hesitate to discuss new health practices with your trusted healthcare provider. Embrace this simple, yet incredibly effective, daily practice to unlock your body's inherent potential and reclaim your youthful vigor and vitality. It's a small commitment that can lead to significant improvements in how you feel and function every single day. Start today, make this 1-minute massage a part of your routine, and truly feel the profound difference it can make in your physical energy, your mental clarity, and your overall life force. You deserve to live with renewed vitality and a strong sense of well-being. Thank you for joining me.